Hi everyone, I'm back again with another simple tutorial. And on today's video, I am going to show you how to convert text to speech. To begin, open CapCut and create a new project. Select the video that you want to use. Play video to the part that you want to add your text. Then, go to text. Add the text that you want to use. And then, go to your menu and select text to speech. You can go down to choose the one that you prefer.
Yes, I am free at last.
You can try out another one to compare them, and choose the one you like the most.
Yes, I'm free at last.
Right now, you can see that our text-to-speech have been generated. Play video to hear what it sounds like.
Yes, I am free.
To add effect on your generated audio, highlight the audio and go to Sound Effects. There are lots of effects that you can choose from here. You can also increase or reduce the audio speed. To do that, go to your menu again and click on Speed. Here, you have the option to increase or decrease the speed of the audio. You can also increase or reduce the audio volume. To do that, go to your menu again and click on Volume. You can delete your text after generating your text-to-speech. To do that, highlight the text. Then go to your menu and delete the text. Play video to see the outcome.
Yes, I am free.